How you doing, everybody? Welcome back. This is Oscar. Well, ladies and gentlemen, not really the greatest Monday start for us and for our portfolios if you already have some investments there. But we gotta tell you, some of us are really happy, and I'm telling you why. Because you see the prices right now, for example, in I'm talking, and you're like, "Yes, sir." Why? Because you've seen I'm talking for a really long time at 6 cents. It never stops surprising us. Then at 5 cents, and we're like, "Okay, we're chilling here. That's good." I think that's as far as it's gonna go, and bam, 4 cents. And earlier today, right here, a couple hours ago, close to 3 cents, high 3 cents. So, but it didn't reach, but that's fine. I will tell you the technical analysis more in detail very soon. But I gotta tell you guys, it is on the other side of the spectrum. People panicking, very sad, mad even because they're just seeing that their portfolio crashing. My response to them is, well, consider if cryptocurrencies are your thing. When you buy cryptos, you're signing on that ledger saying you're willing to take the volatility markets, right? It happens on both stocks and crypto, but more on crypto, absolutely. But everyone, to sum up, you have to know that me personally, I buy at these levels because later on, for my retirement vision and objective later on, this is gonna be 2x, 5x, 7x, 10x, even the price that it is right now in the future. And that's how we make the most money and what we talk in the channel, everyone. Stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. Long term growth, little by little. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much, everyone. I'm talking right now, of course, is mid 4 cents, not the price that we wanted, but it is what it is. We have to take the opportunity or just leave it and go to the other coin or other investment type of practice. Less than 2 billion market cap, trading activity, 60% people are buying, and I'll demonstrate you that in the technical analysis right now. The volume, look at this, 186 million or 186%, 35 million. There's a lot of people buying, just letting you know, and selling too, probably. The circulating supply, we haven't changed, and well, that's what it is. Now, the question is this only happening to AMP token? And the answer is absolutely not. Let me go to the today's crypto market by market cap. Look at this, guys, 1.95 trillion. We were above 2 trillion for a really long time, more than a month ago. And well, now just happens that we're less. This is a time, if you're in the cryptocurrency space, personally for me, I get paid really soon. So I'm going to get some very good deals. Hopefully this stays like this for a longer time. I'm going to get some Ethereum, some Cardano, some Algorand, and of course, a little bit of AMP token. Why not? Why, guys? Because these are the prices that they drop according to external factors. Some of them may stay at those levels for a while, but realistically speaking, they will come up very, very fast. So that's the idea, guys. You take the opportunity or just let it go and just, in a way, cry and complain that your investments are the way that they are and the cryptocurrencies are trash, garbage. I mean, we have all kinds of investors in this spectrum, but anyway, everyone is welcome, and we gotta continue, guys. Taking a look at the technical analysis, everyone, for AMP token, this is what it looks like. From a macro view, this is the lowest we've been on July the 20th after a crash that we had back then, or like a retracement very hard. That is the lowest point, the support point that we have on this red line. Let me go ahead and continue increasing, but just actually take a look at the RSI and the MACD. They still dipping. And now you can tell today that we have a higher selling purchases level. We go to the 4-hour chart and take a look what it is. Look at this buying line. That's huge. A lot of people buying. I'm talking now on the 4-hour, we completely decline and continue going through the bottom line, a band of the RSI. That means that it was oversold and people bought it. And that was great. Some people really had a great time there and got an amazing deal. And of course, the RSI is telling me that, well, it's still a lot of volatility for you to understand that. So it is what it is, everyone. Can it continue dipping? That is why we practice dollar cost average. We don't know exactly what the price will be for I'm talking in 1 year from now or so. The best thing for us to buy and believe in the project, its utility, and where it's heading, it's of course buying when it's low, selling when it's high, or keep holding. And I've been telling you that for a while for I'm talking. So don't panic. It's all gonna be all right. I'm not moving at all. And if I am, I'll let you know. Why not? Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. Look at this. Even Bitcoin passed the lower band on the RSI, and look, immediately coming back up to the to this one, to the lower band on the RSI. A lot of purchasing levels right here. It's same on Cardano too. Just wanted to show you this. Not only happening on AMP token, but people are buying, and you are the one who decides to be left behind. Probably some of you don't even have money to invest because you're already putting most of what you had before. And well, when we're starting September, when we know that this is the season that typically cryptocurrencies do the worst because of the winter bear market and what have you, well, always it's good to have some money separated. For example, in my case, I had all my positions done 2 weeks ago, but I reserved like $800 just in case whatever happens, guys. So I was able to buy $600, then $200, and today I got those $200 on Algorand. So I have my two cryptocurrencies, Algorand and Cardano. You know, if you've been watching my videos, that for AMP token, I'm good. I already have my 100,000 AMP token, so that's great. You do have to understand, if you already have your foundations and positions set in place, spread out and diversify. That is the greatest strategy ever. Now, going back here, guys, to some couple good news. The holders is still not retracing back. It's pretty cool. 42,000. Great job, AMP Army. AMPAR is doing well, even though the prices is crashing and we haven't seen an increase over 6 cents in a really, really long time. You don't see this number of holders decreasing. That tells you, my friends, that AMP token and Flex and Networks are here to stay. Sadly, the price is still not reflected yet. That's what I believe, guys. And I know some people disagree and some people want to go to somewhere else, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, whatever. That's totally fine. I'm happy as long as you make money, right? And keep holding with those diamond hands. Of course, some of the reasons why the market is dropping, specifically the stock market, the Evergrande, that's the Chinese real estate firm that, of course, is in really harsh trouble right now, and that's dipping the entire global market. So, I mean, that's kind of one of the reasons, right? You also have the Delta waves and the Fed taper talk and debt ceiling. So inflation also helps, having some, I would say, uncertainty for the markets, and markets don't like uncertainty. If you have nothing much to do, might want to consider, of course, having some of your AMP tokens staked. That'll be a cool idea for you to check out, right? Sadly, I checked already with my AMP token, and if you select Lighting, which is the one that gives you the most, right now at this time of the video, in the morning or afternoon, it was 120 plus Ethereum to stake your AMP token. So of course I'm not gonna pay that. That's too much. And that kind of tells me, everyone, that even though AMP token is an ERC20 Ethereum token, other blockchains like Cardano and Solana have way cheaper fees. So imagine maybe later on Flex and Network trying to change its blockchain capabilities to another, or like technology capabilities to another blockchain. Not saying it's gonna happen, but I'm just letting you know that Ethereum is very expensive right now, more expensive than what we have, like the latest blockchains, like the ones I just said. But I'm very happy. We'll be interested when Ethereum 2 comes out, what the changes in the fees will be. That'll be some delicious things to report on. So guys, going back to CoinMarketCap, everything is really dipping right now. Cardano, I was able to get some Cardano too, and I was able to get some Algorand. What are the cryptocurrencies you're buying right now? Let me know in the comments down below, because everything is on sale right now. And understand that next year and at the end of the year, of course, things are going to be changing. That is cryptocurrencies, and that's how you and I make the most money. Not looking at what's happening today, taking advantage of what's happening today, because in a different scenario, my friends, we will see the price of the cryptocurrencies completely blasting off the charts. And what would you be doing? More than likely buying, because you want to make money. Yes, it's all working. But now that everything's coming back down, there's a lot of fear and uncertainty. People either want to sell or just complain, and so much more. So understand that this is the risks that we have to face with cryptocurrencies, but we'll be fine. Long-term projects are not built in one day. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. There's my AMP token analysis. We're looking good, but of course, could be better. We just gotta hold and believe in the project. I'll see you next time, everyone. Peace.